Good morning students, welcome back to your science class. As you know that we have already started the chapter 12, the earth and its companions, and we have already completed the explanation of the chapter. So today we will start the exercise of this chapter 12. Okay, this is your chapter number 12. I'll write this one. The earth. Name of the chapter is The Earth and its Companions. The Earth and its Companions. Okay. So today we will start the exercise of this chapter. This is page number 82 and 83. Please refer to page number 82 and 83. Okay, before starting the exercise, let me once again tell you that there are keywords at the end of the chapter, means after the chapter, that is on page number 82. You will learn these keywords as one word answer. Suppose I tell you this way how to do this one. Suppose a sentence will be given, okay, and you have to write the correct option. Suppose I write spinning, the spinning of the earth on its own axis. So what will you write? You will write answer rotation, only rotation. You have to write the one word answer only. Okay, or the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path. This is revolution. Heavenly body that revolves around the planet. Answer satellite. Then group of stars forming different patterns in the sky. This is constellation. Okay, this way you will learn these keywords as one word answer. In every chapter there are keywords at the end of the chapter. You will learn these as one word answer. Okay, now the exercise, page number 82 and 83. Number A. Number A is you have to choose the correct answer. You have to choose the correct answer, means MCQ. So number A, 1. People who go into the space are called dash. Doctors, engineers, astronauts. So it will be astronauts. AS, be careful of the spelling. ASTRONAUTS, astronauts. I will take my astronauts here. Now number 2, the spinning of the earth on its own axis is called rotation, revolution, circulation. It is rotation. Rotation. Please tick mark this one. Then number 3, a group of stars that forms a pattern in the sky is called galaxy, constellation, crater. It is constellation. CONSTELLATION. Okay. Now number 4, the moon reflects the light of dash. The sun, the pole star, the earth. So the moon reflects the light of the sun. Correct option is the sun. You will tick mark here. And number 5, the last one of this MCQ. The pole star helps to find the dash direction. East, north, south. It is north. Okay, this is A. Now we will also solve the fill in the blanks. Okay, now number B. Number B is fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Number 1, the layer of air that surrounds the earth is called dash. It is atmosphere. Number 1 answer is atmosphere. Okay, everyone, I will request everyone to write down the word in the blanks. So it is given as fill in the blanks. Okay, number 2, the shape of the Ursa Major constellation is like a great bear. It will be great bear. Number 3, next page, page number 83, you can find page number 83. Number 3, the dash is the other name of pole star. It is Dhruv Tara. Dhruv Tara. And number 4, dash are caused by the revolution of the earth. Seasons. Seasons are caused by the revolution of the earth, and day and night are caused by the rotation of the earth. Okay, so today up to this much we have done, means we have done A and B from the exercise of chapter number 12, the earth and its companions. Hope you will watch this video and you will also do your work in the book, because question answer part we will do in the copy, means we will start the question answer, that is from very short answer question from D onwards we will have to write in the notebook, science notebook. So hope you will watch this video and you will also go through the chapter well, because it is a very important chapter for you. So till then, thank you everyone.